time has finally come. As you can see, the floors, man, they are dry. There are still some stains on the floor that don't look dry, but it's dry. It's dry. So what we finna do is, man, I went to Walmart and I bought paint roller and the little thing to roll it in. Y'all know what I'm talking about, what you paint your walls with and all that. So I went to Walmart and I bought all of that, man. So what we finna do is go ahead and get this side finished up. That way it has to dry for 24 hours. I'm gonna turn the heaters on in here and try to warm it up as much as I can. As y'all know, I did kind of seal up some of the holes in the building, you know, some of the little areas that, you know, let wind in or let it out, but the building ain't complete yet. All I gotta say. But anyway, so we finna mix this paint up. I'm gonna go around and tape the very bottom all the way around the shop before we start. That way I ain't got no paint. I still want it to look clean when I finish. You know, I still want to be able to take that off and ain't no paint on it. So we gonna do that, and I'm gonna go around with the brush and touch up some areas if I need to and all this and that, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Let's get this thing taped, and once I check back in, man, we finna get this floor looking like a I don't know what, but we finna get the floor looking good. Is all I'm gonna say. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get this tape down. Alright, man, it's time. Got it mixed. Hold on, let me slide back so y'all can see. So all you do is, it's a two-part system in this one bag, and you just take it and you just kind of step on it or put some pressure on it, and they'll combine into one, man. And then I know I need some gloves on, but I don't have none right now. But I'm gonna get this in here. Y'all stay tuned. Pour it in. Alright, man, before we bring out the big brush, we're gonna take the small brush and we're gonna hit real close to all the corners and everywhere that the roller won't get. So we can go around and do that first, all around the edge and around this thing. I'm gonna paint some around it so that the brush don't have to try to get around it. But we finna get to work, man. I know y'all can't hardly see me, but we finna get to work. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright guys, so pull y'all back. Might have to give y'all a close-up of how the floor turned out. I know y'all really can't tell right now, but floor is complete. I know you can see the shine, man, but it does have little specks in it, little blue specks. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look at that in just a second. But the floor is complete. Do have one spot that the paint won't sit into. I don't know what's the issue with that spot, but we'll definitely be looking into that spot once the floor dries. But for now, the whole rest of the floor is on point. So yeah, man, I'm gonna take y'all off and get y'all this closer look so I can show y'all what we're looking like. Alright, man, so here's a super close look at, hold on, let me try to darken the camera down and see if that helps. Okay, that goes somewhat of a better look. Does have those little specks in it. So yeah, man, I'm finna go grab my wife real quick, man, and I'm gonna let her tell me what she thinks about it, man. Alright, y'all, so here go my wife. Come on, close your eyes. Close them, close them. Come on. Here she comes, y'all. Come on. I'm right here. Follow my voice. Reach out, right here. All right, come on. All right, open.
It looks nice.
Professional, ain't it?
Just like a professional.
Yeah, I need to go to the bill. I need to go to the billing on it.
Maybe one day. But it looks good though. I can't wait to see the whole entire thing.
Yeah, no, I gotta do all this. This has dry for 3. Anyway, man, y'all got the reaction. I did it. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look, man, once I really get back into the shop. That should actually brighten up the shop a little bit, man, because the floor can reflect some of that light back up. So it should brighten it up a little bit in here. So anyway, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in for another one, man. Y'all know, tune back in. We ain't done. We still gotta do the other side. So PullsTv gone.